Understanding the word apprehensive, a simple guide. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the word apprehensive. Understanding this term can really enhance your English vocabulary, especially when expressing feelings or emotions. So, let's dive in and demystify this word together. Apprehensive is an adjective that describes a feeling of worry or fear about something that might happen in the future. It's that uneasy sensation you get when you're not sure about the outcome of an event or situation. Imagine you have an exam tomorrow, and you're feeling nervous about it. That's being apprehensive. Let's see how to use apprehensive in different sentences. 1. She was apprehensive about moving to a new city. 2. I'm a bit apprehensive about the results of my medical test. 3. The team was apprehensive before the big game. Notice how in each case, the word captures a sense of unease about future events. Understanding synonyms and antonyms helps broaden your vocabulary. Synonyms for apprehensive include anxious, worried, nervous, concerned. Antonyms include confident, unconcerned, relaxed, assured. Be careful not to confuse apprehensive with similar sounding words. It doesn't mean to understand or grasp something, which is a common mistake. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of apprehensive. Remember, feeling apprehensive is a natural human emotion, and being able to express it in English is a great step in language learning. See you in the next video.